Appreciate all y'all. No cap hard. Everybody have a blessed day. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Everybody pop out, rock out. We the best. Drake. Hey, everybody says, hey, we just chilling out. Rock and roll. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Bars. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Turn this shit up, man. Tupac Nation. Bars. Hey. Man, say y'all. Pac was still alive and you heard this shit that went on with all this shit about boy say. Y'all wouldn't know how to end. I was trying to tell y'all about some of these rappers, you hear me? But I ain't gonna say nothing. He told y'all about a lot of these people. God. Y'all been listening to this Pac real good. He telling y'all some real shit. You gotta listen. You gotta listen. Pac been telling y'all about. Man, Pac got a song, man. He was telling y'all about Trump before he got even in president. But you gotta listen to the words, man. Bars. Y'all be like, yeah. Y'all gotta wait for somebody else to drop this shit. Then you be like, who said that? Bars. Y'all better do y'all research on this real shit. Real people, they talk about real shit, but hey, it's just not coming out. Y'all gotta listen. Bars. Real bars. Tupac Nation, baby. Let's go. Y'all better listen to Pac. Bars. They can't see him, man. But I bet you listen, you'll picture everything he's saying right now, damn near. Bars. Yeah, y'all see I just dropped the video. Bars. Go check it out. Bars. You see that notification on, so I know y'all been seeing that. It just dropped. Y'all done seen it? Okay. See, y'all be thinking I be bullshit. My notifications go out right when I drop the video. So I don't know why they be lying to me. I didn't see you. You're alive. You see my live though, but you don't see my short video pop up. Oh, motherfucking lie. Fuck you, man. Pop out right now. Bars. Yeah. I just look like this, man. You're a base. Hey. You can see me. Tell them, hey, let me see you. You can see me. Baby. Bars. Hey, we the best, y'all. Hit that thumbs up, man. Everybody run it up, man. Man, we ain't playing no game. I'm gonna put my cooking a little cooking show on. You need bars. Deny ya, I'm a straight rider. Oh, it's on now. Where the haters at? Ooh. Oh, crank this bitch up. Where the haters at? Bars. Where the haters at? Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. We don't care. Don't be hating.